If your iPhone suddenly switched to SOS mode and you're using T-Mobile or a carrier that runs on the T-Mobile network, you're not the only one. On July 27, 2026, T-Mobile experienced a widespread network outage that affected customers across the United States. Thousands of users reported losing cellular service, and many iPhones automatically switched to SOS mode. So, what does that mean? SOS mode doesn't mean there's something wrong with your iPhone. It simply means your phone couldn't connect to your carrier's network. While you're in SOS mode, you won't be able to make regular phone calls, send text messages, or use mobile data. However, you can still make emergency 911 calls using any available carrier network. The outage affected customers in several states, including California, Arizona, Utah, New York, and many other areas. It also impacted carriers that use the T-Mobile network, such as Mint Mobile. If you're connected to Wi-Fi and have Wi-Fi calling enabled, you may still be able to make and receive calls and send text messages while T-Mobile restores service. Now, if the network has already been restored, but your iPhone is still showing SOS mode, here are a few quick things you can try. First, turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it back off. Next, restart your iPhone. You can also go to Settings, then Cellular, and make sure your cellular line is turned on. If you're still having problems after T-Mobile confirms the outage has been resolved, check for a carrier settings update by going to Settings, General, and About. If an update is available, install it. If none of these steps work, contact T-Mobile support to make sure there isn't an issue with your account or SIM. Most importantly, if you're seeing SOS mode during a major outage, it's usually a carrier network issue, not a problem with your iPhone. Once T-Mobile fully restores service, your signal should return automatically. That's it. If your iPhone is still stuck in SOS mode, let me know your iPhone model and your state in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and updates.